Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with my husband Ricky, and he's gonna do my makeup today. And I'm not gonna know what he's doing. I'm not gonna see what he's doing. He's just gonna do my makeup and we're gonna see how well he does it. Ricky is the guy who always edits my videos, so he has seen, you know, a lot of what I do. So he should actually be pretty not bad at this. So I guess we'll find out. Okay, so let's get started.
I have no clue what I'm starting with.
I mean, you watch all my videos, so what's the first thing I do? You don't how do you not know?
Because I don't know. What is this? What the fuck is this?
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so just don't get this in your eyes.
I feel like you missed a lot of spots.
No, it's good.
I feel like the whole center of my face is dry.
Less is more.
My face feels primed.
Super prime. The fuck is what?
You're using your fingers?
Why not?
Do I use my fingers when I put it on?
Who's doing the makeup here? Do you use the egg thing?
Do I?
I don't know. You act like I watch your videos.
You edit all my videos.
Don't mean I walk.
Poop? Poop.
Too much poop.
Don't call it poop. It's an interesting application you got happening here.
It's good enough. Alright. Oh, it's good enough.
I was giving them a preview because they can't really see that well.
What the fuck is this shit? Let's use this shit. What is this?
I think that's moisturizer.
Yeah, you don't do this shit. It's the water and the sponge is for. What the fuck is this shit? Color correcting fluid? You don't need. What is this shit? That shit. There's so many brushes. Eyeshadow shit. Let's put this on.
Ow. Please don't poke my eye out. Why did you put it under my
I
eye?
missed.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Yep.
All right.
Instant age rewind. Shit goes on the bottom. Alright, where's this shit for your eyes? What is this?
You're not gonna, you know, blend any of that?
You need to blend.
I mean, I don't know. I just thought you might wanna. Oh.
Blend. I'm assuming this is eyeshadow. Use this one.
My Urban Decay Electric palette.
And what haven't we used? Trying to judge based on what kind of powder is on it.
Those are clean brushes. Oh, he's going in with the big fluffy brush.
Big fluffy brush.
And wow! That is a lot of product on that brush. Show them how much fallout you have created on there. There's a lot of fallout going on there. It's very apparent that you don't watch my videos. You literally just edit them.
Good enough.
Oh, we're cleaning it up. With the egg thing?
With the egg thing, because it's moist.
Great.
Moist.
Because I use the egg thing all the time to clean it up.
Good enough. Bam stamp.
So what is this?
This is your little wing shit. How hard do you actually have to press it? See what happens. Let's go. Boop. Boop.
I'm a little concerned about letting you use that eyeliner on me now.
Trooper Black.
Why do I feel like the eyeliner is like all the way over by my ear? Oh my god, you spit on me. Oh. I can't see anything.
Good.
Oh my god.
20 minutes later.
Good enough.
I feel like you got it all over my eyelash. Do I look beautiful?
Yes, very. Okay, last splash.
Okay, we're going in for the mascara. I am scared.
Good enough. What the fuck is this shit?
That is my Jeffree Star Peach Goddess highlighter. At least he chose the right brush.
Yeah.
And
'cause
using a lot of product. I feel very shiny. I have a very fat face and I feel like I need some contour.
Okay.
That's foundation. That is my Lunatics Cosmetics Lab contour palette.
Oh, this white ass.
Why would you put white?
Because you're white as fuck.
Is there a reason you're putting it on my jawbone?
Yes.
What is that reason?
Because reason.
On my lips and my chin. That's it? That's gonna make my face look chiseled and not fat?
Yes. Unless you want to do like 300 abs. Like Photoshop. Little abs on your face.
Ooh!
Alright, eyebrows. Anastasia. Brow shit.
Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in color Ebony.
Isn't that for both?
What
Get rid of this.
are you doing? What?
I am clearing it up, don't worry.
Which glitter is this?
This one's gonna be... looks like manure.
I can promise you it does not say manure.
Monsieur.
Monsieur. Okay, these are Dear Katie Brown glitters, which are my favorite. You do not need glitter glue with these, which is awesome.
Thank God.
Shiny.
Good enough. What is this?
That is
Splash.
LA Splash lipstick, and that's called Serious. It tickles. Oh, it's tickling. Use the other side. You're not listening to what I just said.
I just used the...
I
this
said
end.
to use this side,
That's what I was doing earlier.
like that.
And then... eyelashes.
Oh, it's stuck. You need something to unstick the top. I'll put the glue on for you because I would really like my eyelashes not be glued to each other. And it would help if I could get the lash glue out. Where'd that little thing?
20 minutes later.
perfect. Good enough.
I think that's, oh, okay.
I saw you do this before. You just did this like everywhere. So. Beautiful.
Okay, so here's the look. Leave a comment below and let me know how he did. Oh my. Wow.
I'm so good.
Ooh. The lashes are not even. What? There is a gap between my lashes and the eyeliner where it's just skin. And my lipstick is like not even. My eyebrows are atrocious. Are you proud of this work? I am just
I'm a
blown
natural.
away at this right now. This is. I look cute. Yes. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go take all of this off. And I will see you next time. Hope you guys enjoyed and thought this was hilarious because my husband thinks he did a really good job. So, yeah. Bye.